Make this custom Christmas lantern without breaking the bank. For less than $10, you can create this cheap and easy decoration that is perfect as a centerpiece or a Christmas craft. You need a hot glue gun, faux snow, 4 picture frames, white foam board, a pencil, scissors, a tea light, a Christmas village figurine, and a Christmas ornament. Remove the plastic, frame, tabs, and picture inserts from the picture frames. Glue the glass to the frame. Glue the corners of the picture frames together. Hold together firmly until each frame dries. Using a pencil, trace the outline of the box onto the foam board. Cut out the outline and glue the foam board to the bottom of the box. Pour your snow in the box and arrange your village pieces where you want them. You can glue the figurines in place if you like. Add a tea light to your lantern to create a magical effect. This will make for a Christmas centerpiece, accent piece, or even a great Christmas gift. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.